here at the local mall. Guess we're starting right here. And the latest release, I haven't been to the mall in a minute. Oh, and I hate JD because they never have the releases right here. This is the Jordan 3 that just released. I haven't been to the mall in a minute, so I haven't even seen these. Yeah, it was like the world's best or something. I don't know, but they're okay. They're okay. I kind of like tumbled leather. I don't know. This is not an OG colorway. I guess I'm an old fart that likes all the OG stuff. But yeah, definitely got a ton of Jordan releases here, including the Salesman. I forgot what 6 of these are, but they got 3M on it. And then even Jordans on sale, including these Easters. And these metallic white 3s. Are these gonna go on? Or that's the metallic white 3s. Metallic white 5s. Are these gonna go on sale too? These are such a dope look. I have a love-hate relationship with white shoes. Sales rack all been picked at, dang it. Not much left. First time I've seen these on sale. This is preschool. Might be preschool. First time I've seen these on sale though. Okay, here's the men's sale section right here. We're starting to see diamond turfs. More and more diamond turfs on sale. Got the Lucas right here, just going for way cheap, $80 off retail. And to see a lot more of the Pegasus premiums on sale too. And yeah, we've been seeing a lot of the Jordan non-signatures on sale. Ooh, these are on sale too. Got the Air Max up tempos. Haven't even seen these at most spots, and they have them on sale here. Got a couple of the Air Maxes. Starting to see sales on the Vomeros, 140, 20% off. Even the Vomero Plus right here got a couple of them 20% off. But we're looking for bigger and bigger discounts, of course. Next door is Champs. Not the most excited about 2002 Rs, but some of you guys are. These are normally $145, so almost $50 off. Got this gray one that'll match with almost everything. Got some 740s right here. Decent discounts, not bad. I'm not the biggest fans of these, but some of you guys are. 574s all going for retail. What the hell? I just saw a ton on sale at the New Balance outlet. Oh, wait. What the hell? How come I didn't check this section right here? They got 70% off Jordan jackets, 70% off. Told you guys to buy stuff off season, 70% off of this, like $20-something. New Balance? What the hell, dude? Huh? From Boston to Detroit? Well, when did they have? Since when did they have racing gear? What the hell? That's kind of random. They got New Balance. They got Nike. They got quite a few things here for 70% off. They're getting rid of all their winter stuff. Memorial Day isn't technically the end of the summer, but pretty much it is. That's what most of us consider as the last day of summer. Technically, summer goes to, I think, June 21st, which is the summer solstice. But look, sweats, 70% off. New Balance stuff right here. And they got more Nikes right here, 70% off for you. Are you serious? Damn. Puma LaFrance. I'll just call this the skater shoe. $100, not too bad. What do they normally retail for? $115, so $15 off. And then more of these Fast and the Furious on sale. I think they're all gonna go on sale eventually, right? Because yeah, I don't see men wearing this for basketball. Even the boys gonna. I don't know. Oh, they came out with the second one too. MB5 without the strap. Did not know that. This one does not have a strap. Has an interesting lace design. Got Spiz Ikes and a bunch of the generic Jordans, but also got these right here. Finally seen these on sale. Normally $70, so $10 off. Those are the Legend Blue 11 Hydros. And then what is this? I see 6s, I see 4s. What the F is this? Let's see, what's the name? Mars? What the hell? What the hell's, I don't understand this. Oh, is that the Son of Mars? Son of Mars lows? What the hell? Those are crazy. Those are crazy. Hell no. I don't think a lot of you guys would buy these like me. They're coming out with a bunch of them, I guess. Damn, what they charge? $165. Damn. Then the actual Jordan retros, Over here, got a ton of Lowe's. Ton of Lowe's. And then Bulldog Liquidator has had these for 100, and then they have 25% off, I think, the weekend, and someone just messaged me that they just got theirs for 25% off there. So they paid like, was it 75, 80 bucks? I don't know. It was hella cheap, that's all I know. And then still got these on sale. Nobody loving these? Nobody loving these? Oh, damn, dude. I did get mine for like 40. I got mine for a few dollars less than that. But yeah, hell of a price, man. Hell of a price. This came out for 90 bucks. 90 or 100? I don't know. But yeah, they got these right here. I got those as well. So I got both those Cortez. And I kind of wanted to see what's going on here. And they do have these on display. These are dope, dude. These are dope. Especially if you're a Bulls fan. Might even work with Niner stuff. Not bad. $215. Thought they would have 25%. Those are huge dogs. 25% off clearance. But I don't see any signs. Don't see it. See, this is the stuff I'm talking about. 100% cotton. These Jordan Diamond. I'm gonna have to look for these. I don't really want to pay full price because these are what, $50 or $72. Holy crap! But yeah, I wanna find stuff like this for my kiddo. 100% cotton. That's the type of clothes I'm trying to find. See, the regular shorts right here. Now it's just the premium regular Jordan shorts, 80/20, and then the premium stuff like this. The diamond ones right here, these are 100% cotton. That's good to know. And of course, we got a ton of the Lowe's highs mids, as well as the Lucas and Lucas 77s. But the Lakers are done. Dang it. Yeah, got a lot of sales tags. Got a ton, including these Air Max 90s right here. Romero 18s. Not a bad price. And then if you're into these, got all the Rejuvenates going for 50 bucks. They're normal at 65, 75. Damn, they're up to 75 now. Vomeros right here, $80 for Vomeros. So that's what, 50% off. And Jimmy, did someone take off a tag from something? Jimmy Choo? Someone steal something from another store? I don't know. But yeah, $80 for those bad boys. It's an interesting color right here. In the women's section right here, I really like these. Got a ton of suede on them. Got different laces as well. $65. These are fire, dude. And it's what, less than 50% of the original price, right? That might be the lowest we've seen these Jordan 3s. These came out a while ago and have not been moving. $75. So that might be like 70% off right there. Holy crap, that's actually a really good deal. Got mids right here in the women's. And got these mids as well. This is an interesting material. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Kind of crazy. But yeah, $140 for these. And then they ain't coming out with a lot of different materials. Look at this. Like canvas. It's just nylon? I don't know. But different materials. $140 for that one. That one's an SE. What's up with this one? Has an interesting tag on it. That's actually a pretty dope tag. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. This is probably an SE as well. 185. Oh, it's a Jordan 1 high. I thought it was a mid, but it is a high. Got some nice material. Okay. An outlet like prices, $45. Holy crap! And this is where I've been getting my forces for my kiddo. 80 bucks. $80. So at 35 off retail. I've just been getting them way big. I don't know what the hell these are. These look like Cortez, but not really. But $20. Nike Pacific, what the hell? 20 bucks. Actual Cortez for 45. That's a weird color though. And they're doing different stuff, but not really hitting on everything. And the 105. Preschool size for the kiddos, not bad. The Pokemon ones right here, 35 and 30. Grade school stuff, they've had a ton. Like I think everything in the grade school got a blue tag on it. Everything down here, and not necessarily up top, but down here, everything is a blue tag on it. That's crazy. Including $25 campus right here. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen for those. You can just change out to black laces if you want it looking more plain. And even in the big kids, oh shoot, big kids got pretty much the same prices. Okay, dang, I didn't think Mickey Mouse stuff would go on sale like that. Got a couple more shops. Men's Jordan section right here. This does look pretty small, probably like a 7.5 or 8, but oh, it's a 6.5. 6.5. This should be a grade school section. What the hell are they tripping? I'm surprised to see that. And yeah, I saw one of these at the outlets for crazy cheap. I can't believe they still got the 40/20s right here. That's pretty crazy. I haven't seen these anywhere, and I still see them here. That's kind of crazy at 200. These GT Futures, these look pretty crazy. I was gonna say that wouldn't hinder the side to side, but yeah, that stuff. Yeah, it's not too stiff. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. What the hell is wrong with me? I'm starting to see Vomero Plus prices go down, down, down. This is not the best color, but these are comfy as hell. Comfy. I got my Super Comp Elites coming. A marathon running shoe, even though I haven't been running. I definitely haven't been running enough. I need to run more. Hopefully that'll motivate me. Get my fat butt out and about. I only ran once last week for 4 miles. But yeah, I do got some Pegasus premiums. And they do have an interesting sales section. I swear this is grade school, but look at this, $60. $60, normally $110. So almost 50% off. I'm not digging that colorway though. Digging that price though, digging that price. They're throwing a bunch of the running shoes on sale. Are serious running people wearing these? I have heard some of the reviewers say it's actually pretty good. Got Vomero 18s. I was like, is that an all black? No, kind of, sort of, but no, not the regular ones. 270s on sale. Like, that is crazy because we used to never see them on sale. But man, ain't nobody got money for sneakers right now, right? I'm not gonna lie, I've been buying way less. Even though I did buy 2 pairs today. Got a couple of Evo SLs. And what's this? This is men's right here. What's the sales? There's no sales there? What the hell? And then I forgot to check the 70% off. Just red t-shirts. 70% off. Is this Nike? LeBron fans. That's all you guys. $90. So that drops down to 27 bucks. Not bad. And they got a few other t-shirts and some jerseys. 70% off. All right, last stop. I don't think I have time for Borders today. I have to go meet up with one of my boys for happy hour. So yeah, this is the Jordan section right here. What do you guys think about them putting Nike Air on everything? I don't know. I know the old G guys can't stand that. I don't know. I don't really care. I know. I just don't like these because I don't know. I'm just not digging that color and that crimson on the bottom, just like super duper bright red. But you know, it is what it is. I just really like these. Really like these. If I got these at the outlets, maybe. I don't know if I should have picked those up. Might have made a mistake by not picking those up. It's like these are. I don't know. This will match my nice good thing. I already have a million things for style, so I've been trying to find more stuff more focused on performance lately, to be honest. Sorry about those running shoes. They got multiple colorways of these Air Max of Tempo. This is a Lakers one right here. These are still, yeah, they're still going for 170. They got the Volt ones right here. I kind of like these. I really like these. They got a little hit to them, a little hit of color, but yeah, these are definitely not good for me. They're not good for white feet. They're not good for white feet. The overlays, there's like leather overlays on the outside, and it's just hella tight, which is weird because the Air more up tempos, the 96s, they're not tight at all. 120 for these coppers. Got the turfs. Got these on 160 for the foams, and every one of the Mamba ones on sale, $30 for those. I think they came out at like 45 or something, right? Niners Vomero colorway right here. Dang, everybody got 270s on sale right now, huh? Got these 110 for these as well. Yeah, that's silver a little much. Kids Jordan section. If you women can wear kid sizes, that's what's up. 120, 100 for the 3s right there. Got a bunch of mids and non-signature days on sale. And then like they be coming out with some crazy exclusive colorways for kids. Like that's just a crazy colorway. And then they still have these. That is crazy. They still have these. I remember these being super duper limited when it came out, especially with the men's. This is the Jordan 1 Voodoo 2.0. This is the second version of the Voodoo colorway. And then another grade school, like an Easter 4 right here. And then I think we're gonna head out. Yeah, we're gonna head out. And now at Finney's out in Santa Clarita. Damn, dude. Do I go there after? Do I go there? I guess it depends on how much I drink. I don't know. We'll see.